What do you prefer, sun or rain? What do you prefer, sun or rain? Give me 2 packet of biscuits and a glass of water. Give me 2 packet of biscuits and a glass of water. They are outside my room. They are outside my room. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? My friend is waiting for me. My friend is waiting for me. How do you know? How do you know? I like you as a friend. I like you as a friend. Actually, it's not like that. Actually, it's not like that. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You can't insult me like this. You can't insult me like this. But reality is not like that. But reality is not like that. Why are you asking so many questions? Why are you asking so many questions? I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning except Friday. I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning except Friday. I get up at 7:15 a.m. in the morning. I get up at 7:15 a.m. in the morning. But, on Friday, I sleep till 10 a.m. But, on Friday, I sleep till 10 a.m. Every day, I set my alarm for wake up. Every day, I set my alarm for wake up. But, on the weekend, I stopped my alarm. But, on the weekend, I stopped my alarm. I make bed every day morning. I make bed every day morning. We are preparing our breakfast together. We are preparing our breakfast together. I take shower every morning before going to office. I take shower every morning before going to office. I comb my hair after taking shower. I comb my hair after taking shower. I brush my teeth twice in a day. I brush my teeth twice in a day. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. I finish my dinner before 10 p.m. I finish my dinner before 10 p.m. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. I am feeling sick today. I am feeling sick today. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. I am writing a story. I am writing a story. His handwriting is not so good. His handwriting is not so good. We read science book in library on every Saturday. We read science book in library on every Saturday. We are making fun. We are making fun. Please turn on the TV. Please turn on the TV. We watch TV every day after dinner. We watch TV every day after dinner. We are watching football match on TV. We are watching football match on TV. This is our family album. This is our family album. Please, turn off the lights. Please, turn off the lights. Please, turn on the lights. Please, turn on the lights. I need to go to the toilet. I need to go to the toilet. I help her to clean the bathroom. I help her to clean the bathroom. Go to the bathroom and wash your face. Go to the bathroom and wash your face. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.